Hello everybody, in the last video I have completed semi-model. So today I am going to start something interesting topic. So today we are going to learn an important literary device called figure of speech. So this device makes our language more interesting and expressive. So let us learn what is figure of speech. Figure of speech is used more in the English in the poem. If in CBSE school, the figure of speech is used more and it helps children to understand and make it's easy to solve the paper. So I have chosen this topic so the children can understand very well and they can use in the examination. So let us learn what is figure of speech. So figure of speech is a special way of using words to make our language more interesting, expressive and meaningful. So this figure of speech basically we used in poem to express our idea, to express our language more interesting. So there are many figure of speech in English. So let us learn one by one. So today we are going to start simile. Simile, it is compare two different things by using the word like and as. So there is a comparison is made between two different things by using the word like and as. Let's see the example. She was as busy as a bee. So here she, a girl, it has compared with a bee. How she is? She was as busy as bee. So two different things has been compared by using the as and as. So next sentence, she is as brave as lion. So girl, she is compared with the lion, that she is as brave as lion, means she is like lion by using the word as and as. He runs like the wind. So here the comparison is made between he and the wind. So how he runs? Like a wind by using the word like. Her smile is like flower. The smile is compared with a flower by using the word like. He ran like a cheetah. So how he is running? He is running like a cheetah. So comparison is made between the two things. The news hit like ton of bricks. So news is how it was attracted or how it was affected like ton of bricks. Her voice was as soft as bird. So in all these sentences, the two different things is used by using the word like or as. So I hope you understand how the simile is used in the sentences by making the comparison between two different things and using word like and as. So guys, please you practice and make sentences by using this simile and enhance your language. But don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.